Hey, what's up, everybody? Thanks for tuning in. So today I want to talk to you about a switch or a change that I'm going to do for my DJ setup. So let me show you normally what my setup looks like. So typically I would go into a place and have this. So this is a folding table that you can find at any Walmart. And while they are pretty sturdy, I will explain to you what the issue is with this for me personally. So I would normally go into a DJ gig. I would open this up. You have to click, that means it's locked. You have to click, that means it's locked. See the struggle. There it is. After that, flip it all over. Go to the right. So basically the setup would go a little bit like this. I would hide the bass, the 18-inch woofer that I have. I will put it underneath. I would cover this with a nice black, or depending on the venue, I would try to make it look according. Then I will put my speakers on the side. I will throw a DIY fake cake that I made and put it in front here. Then I would put the box for my controller here and throw the controller on top. Now, perfect, right? But here's the problem. As I'm standing there for, 4, 5, 6 hours, whatever the time is that I get booked for. Here's what's going on. Check out how low this table is, right? And I don't have the best posture in the world. You see how low this is? So my posture, I don't really have a straight posture to begin with, right? So having to lean forward for 6 hours doesn't help, right? So here I am and I'm standing. I don't like to sit down when I'm DJing, so it'll get to me after a while. I don't feel it while I'm doing it because the music is going, people are having fun, and it's all good, right? Up until I get home and I'm like, dead. So long story short, let me show you what I got to solve that problem. I'm excited because I'll be seeing it for the first time. You will be seeing it for the first time. So what I got is called, we'll have to look at it. It's called a foldable DJ stand. More specifically, the model for this one is ABBZF-003D. I got this one from Amazon. So I'm gonna do an unboxing and see what it looks like. I will be just as surprised as you are, or will be when you see it. Because I've never seen it before. So here we go. I'm gonna get this out of here. I'm guessing already just by looking at it. I want to say this is the top, which this is amazing because I can tell it's gonna have plenty of space for the DJ controller and also the laptop stand, which is gonna be right here. So big plus on this. I already can tell. I was worried about how big it. One thing is you're seeing it, and another thing is that it actually is the size that you want it to be, right? So right now I can tell I have it upside down. So far so good. Like it. I mean, it's sturdy. It's pure metal. I mean, I can't complain. This is too cool. Like, it's more compact, but yet I'll be able to stand. And you can do your thing. Now you look all professional. Yo, what's up? Yeah. Alright, so yeah, so they do have Velcro all around, which is great. So I'm just kind of pressing it in right now because some of it is not fully, you know, I don't expect this to be perfect. So I will put this on, see how it looks. It's a little bit see-through even though it's black. So this is what we got after I finished putting up the Lycra. Again, this does come with white or black. I'm gonna stick to black. Like I said, I wish this hinges here were black, but again, what am I complaining about? It does look nice. It's way better than what I had. So I really, really, really like it. I really like it. Very nice. Let me show you what's gonna happen. This is my panel, and I have to pull this little locking screws that will keep it in place. So those are gonna latch on here. I don't know if you can see that. Yep, they're gonna latch in there. So that's going to stabilize this part right here. Okay, so far so good. I like it. All right, let's put it on. And here is one more detail that I forgot to mention. So remember these things? There were smaller ones and there were the long ones, right? So these long ones here are meant to go on the side right here. I'm guessing that's for if you want to hang like a cable or maybe your headphones. I mean, I'm not going to be doing that, but I realized that's what that was for. So come on, do me a favor and subscribe. I mean, seriously. Okay, so here I am back again. Now, so I went ahead and laid down the flat part that's supposed to hold the DJ controller. And again, guys, I'm really impressed with this. This is really cool. Super impressed. So, like I said, those little locking screws go in there. So you get one here, two over here, and obviously the same as the other side here. Like I mentioned, it comes with two Lycras. You could do white. Comes with the little laptop stand, which most likely is going to go in the corner here. gloves. I don't know why they gave me gloves or whatever. And then it has this circle openings here, which I'm guessing I could slice up with a blade later. And that's for your cables to go through. The bottom is big enough for my woofer, which is great. And again, let me show you what I look like now standing here. You know, like I said, I'm very happy. You have to invest in your own business, even though I don't DJ as much as I wish I could. When I do DJ, at least I know I will be comfortable, look more professional, less things to open, and you know, less time. I'm all about portability, and this gets the job done. I'm extremely happy with this. I cannot wait to test it out. And like I said, just the height, I can see it. I'll be right here in the middle, you know, my DJ controller, my laptop. Best thing about parties is they always feed you. So, you know, I don't have my arroz con pollo, habichuela, todo eso, whatever they give me, I'll eat it. I don't say no. So I leave my little plate here, still have my controller here, and I'm happy, guys. Thank you for watching. I love this thing. I cannot wait. I have 2 events coming up in December. So I'll be putting up some content and show you what I look like in there. I already look professional. Thanks. Anyways, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. It does take me a lot of time to edit these videos. Come on, the least you can do is hit the subscribe button, man. Come on. Es fenomenal.